Ever looked at a shiny new credit card, eager to swipe it, only to realize it's a paperweight until activated? Frustrating, right? Now, imagine that card is a YouTrip card. How long do you have to wait before you can start converting your money into sweet travel savings? Let's dive in. First off, let's clear something up. The term activation is a bit misleading. You don't actually activate a YouTrip card like you would a traditional credit card. There's no waiting for a magic activation email or calling a customer service number. Instead, think of it as setting up your card. And that, my friend, is a breeze. Once you've ordered your YouTrip card and it arrives at your doorstep, all you need to do is unbox it, download the YouTrip app, and sign up for an account. It's like getting a new smartphone. The hardware is cool, but the real magic happens in the software. Now, here's where things get interesting. The moment you successfully verify your identity within the app, your card is essentially ready to go. It's like a freshly baked pizza. It's out of the oven, it's delicious, and you can dig in immediately. No waiting, no fuss. But let's talk about loading money onto your card. This is where a tiny bit of time might come into play. While your card is ready to use right after verification, it's obviously useless without any funds. Loading money onto your YouTrip card is generally instant, but depending on your bank, there might be a processing time of a few minutes. So, to sum it up, from the moment your YouTrip card arrives to the moment you can start using it for your overseas adventures, it's basically a matter of minutes. It's faster than ordering a pizza, and definitely less messy. But remember, while the technicalities of setting up your card are quick, the real magic of YouTrip lies in understanding how to maximize its benefits. That's a whole other adventure we can explore in another video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.